Hey guys, Sarah from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Borla ATAK Dual Exhaust System with black chrome tips. This fits your 2019 and newer 5.7 liter Ram 1500s, excluding the classic models. Borla's ATAK muffler and Y-pipe design produces loud and aggressive sound as well as improved exhaust flow, increasing your gas mileage. This exhaust system features mandrel-bent stainless steel tubing with a 3-inch inlet and a 2.5-inch outlet, as well as 5-inch angle-cut black chrome tips. I'm giving this exhaust a 4 out of 5 on the loudness meter. It's not overpoweringly loud, but it does wake up your exhaust note quite a bit, giving you that nice deep growl that you're looking for. Coming in at around $1,000, this exhaust is on par with other Ram exhausts from the same generation, featuring the same stainless steel construction. And of course, this one features an easy install as well as the great looks of these 5-inch black chrome tips. I'm gonna give this install a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It can be done in approximately 30 minutes with the help of a friend. All right, with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, you will need an impact gun, a ratchet, a 15 and 16 millimeter socket, a hanger removal tool, and some optional but helpful tools include spray lubricant and a pry bar. All right, so the first step in our install once our truck is in the air and supported is to remove the passenger side pipe at the clamp and also at the hanger. Grab your 15 millimeter socket and loosen this clamp. So if you can't get your hanger removal tool in there, you can gently pull back on the pry bar and it should slowly slide this hanger out. With our hanger and clamp removed, we can now pull this pipe off the truck. Next up, using your 16 millimeter socket, remove both the bolts holding your muffler section to your mid-pipe. With the bolts released at the start of your exhaust, we can now remove all of the hangers. Starting at the back of the truck, grab your hanger removal tool and remove the hanger that is farthest back. With our hanger at the back removed, we can now remove the 2 orange hangers at the back of our muffler. With the 2 hangers at the back of our muffler removed, remove your last hanger holding your exhaust in, and then you can pull your exhaust back over the axle. With our hangers free, you can now guide your exhaust forward over the axle. It might be helpful to grab a friend at this point to help you. All right, now that we have our stock exhaust off of our truck, we can put it side by side with the Borla and really check out some of the similarities and differences. Right off the bat, you'll notice the Borla's black chrome tips are a lot larger and different design than the factory chrome tips. This is gonna give the rear of your truck a completely aftermarket look. In addition, Borla has replaced the large factory muffler with their ATAK series muffler and removed both of the resonators at the rear of the exhaust. And this is gonna get you that nice aftermarket growl that you're looking for. Before we get our muffler installed on our truck, you do want to throw a gasket on top here. Since ours is for demonstration purposes and our truck is brand new, we're going to reuse our factory gasket. If you don't want to reuse yours, or if it doesn't look that good to reuse, you can definitely order one, but make sure you get one in place before you install. Get your exhaust securely installed in all 3 hangers before bolting it at the front of your pipe. With our front exhaust hanger installed, install the back 2 hangers. With our exhaust in all 3 hangers, we can now replace the 16mm bolt holding it onto our mid-pipe. line up both pieces of your exhaust and get your bolts started. With our bolts threaded in, go ahead and tighten these down with a 16mm socket. All right, so the next step is to grab your over axle pipe and a clamp and get this installed at the driver's side pipe at the back of your muffler. Slide your clamp over the pipe. And now you can install your over axle pipe onto the end of the same pipe. Next up, grab your driver's side pipe with the tip on there, and we're gonna get it installed on our over axle pipe. Just before you place your pipe on your over axle pipe, make sure you're sliding your clamp over there to ensure it's in place when it's time to tighten down. Once you have that on, go ahead and slide your tailpipe over your over axle pipe. Once your tailpipe is over your over axle pipe, now we can install the hanger. Now we can get our passenger side tailpipe installed, but before that we will slide the clamp over top of our pipe already on our truck. With our clamp in place, we can now install our tailpipe over our over axle pipe. Now we can get our exhaust in our hanger. So we're going to use a pry bar here just to help us persuade this hanger on. Once you've ensured that your tips are sitting in your bumper properly, you can tighten down your 3 clamps. Grab your 15mm socket and tighten down your clamp. Moving down the same pipe, tighten down your second clamp on the left side. Tighten down your final clamp on the passenger side. All right, so that is going to do it for the review and install of our Borla exhaust. Remember, for all things Ram, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.